What is it now? What? What? What is it? No. Yeah, what is this? What? What? What is it? My friend. Blah. Blah. Huh? Who are you? Who are you? You two, who are you? Who are both of you? Tell me. I want to know. Who are you? Who are you? Tell me. I am Rockman, but I'm in America, in other. Sorry. No, sorry for that. I am Rockman, but I call Mega Man in other countries of the world, including here, USA. And this is Rush, my companion, and he appears in Mega Man 3 for the first time. Hello?
Hello? You shouldn't have come back.
Red race car.
They've cracked down hard since you left. More guards, more patrols. You and your friends ain't ever getting out of here now. I made it out once. You got lucky once. Want my advice? Keep your heads down. You'll survive. Yeah.
For how long? We've been here for years. You all know it break us.
There's only one way towards
Cartridge
this
of
place. Poor fella. Trash truck comes at dawn. Then it's off to the dump. Look, I appreciate your concern.
Mega Man and Rush.
We have a kid waiting for us. Now we're leaving. If you'd help us, one toy to another, I'd sure be grateful.
Well, if you're gonna get out, first thing you gotta get through's the doors. Locked every night, inside and out. Keys are left on a hook in the office.
Got it.
What? Got it. Tortoise Gen.
Trucks patrolling all night long. Hallway, lobby, playground.
Yeah. What about the wall?
8 feet high, cinder block. No way through it. You go over or under.
And also, Tortoise Gen, the Major John, he has armies of Caesarinos patrolling the whole. He has armies of Caesarino wind-up robot scorpions patrolling the whole universe. Infinite armies. There are billions of armies of these wind-up robot scorpions patrolling the whole universe. Is that it? It doesn't seem so bad.
Doesn't seem so bad.
It's not. Your real problem's the monkey.
Monarch is the scorpion. Is the evil wind-up scorpion. The evil scorpion called Monochromatic Principian is the final boss of Pikmin Adventure. and it sees absolutely everything in the universe, and even on Earth.
Classrooms.
Roar! 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 Yeah! 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 Kang! 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 You want to escape from us, you little yellow bunny? Zzz, 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 zzz.
Hallways.
Oh. Roar, 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 roar. Gang, 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 hong, 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 hong. Ha, 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 ha. Sorry. Sorry for that. It was my mom. Sorry. Gang, 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 gang.
Playground.
Remember. Roar, roar, gang, 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 roar, 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 roar. Whoa. That scorpion is nightmare fuel.
Sneak past guards, climb the wall.
All and even other planets and many galaxies in the universe. Oh. Oh no, what's happening now? What the heck? That's not good. What did just happen? Dude, that's not good. What just happened? Sorry. Sorry. Stop. Come on, escape. Even in other galaxies. Da, da, It's not good. Oh, that's not good. Great job, my armies of heave-hoes. Take those two innocent victims to a far galaxy.
Doors, sneak past guards, climb the wall. But if you don't take out,
Scorpion.
going nowhere. You want to get out of here? Get rid of that.
Evil Scorpion. I mean, that's evil robot Scorpion. I have to get rid of. It's pretty hard to get rid of that evil robot Scorpion that sees everything in the universe. That's such a subliminal Scorpion. I'm getting out of here.